Smart garden technology refers to the integration of digital tools, automation, and connected devices in gardening. These innovations improve garden management by reducing manual effort, optimizing resource usage, and ensuring optimal plant growth. Key features include automated irrigation systems, smart soil sensors, AI-powered plant monitoring, and app-controlled lighting. These technologies allow gardeners to monitor and adjust growing conditions remotely, making gardening more efficient and sustainable. Advantages: water efficiency. Automated irrigation systems prevent overwatering and reduce water waste. Time saving. Automating routine tasks like watering and lighting frees up time for gardeners. Improved plant health. Sensors and AI-powered monitoring provide insights into soil moisture, nutrient levels, and plant needs. Remote monitoring and control apps and smart devices allow users to adjust settings from anywhere. Increased yield. Precision gardening improves plant growth and productivity. Disadvantages: initial cost. Smart gardening tools can be expensive to purchase and install. Technical complexity requires knowledge of app integration and system setup. Dependency on power and internet. Smart devices need electricity and internet connectivity to function. Maintenance needs, regular updates, battery replacements, and sensor recalibration are necessary. Data privacy concerns. Some smart garden apps collect and store user data. 5 garden-related tasks improved by smart garden technology. Irrigation and watering. Automated irrigation systems ensure precise watering schedules. Soil monitoring. Smart sensors analyze soil moisture, pH, and nutrient content. Lighting control. Smart LED grow. Lights optimize light cycles for plant growth. Pest detection and control. AI-driven cameras and sensors detect pests and trigger countermeasures. Weather adaptation. Smart weather stations adjust watering schedules based on real-time conditions. Products and tools for smart gardening tasks. Automated irrigation, Rachio. 3. Smart sprinkler controller. Features: app-controlled, weather-based adjustments, zone customization. Soil monitoring, Xiaomi MiFlora Sensor. Features: monitors soil moisture, nutrients, and sunlight exposure. Smart lighting, folks. Let's talk about Philips Hue Outdoor Lights. These lights come with some pretty neat features like adjustable brightness, control over the color spectrum, and automated schedules. Now, moving on to pest detection, we have the Bird X Yard Guard Ultrasonic Repeller. This device uses ultrasonic sound to keep pests at bay. Pretty cool, right? Weather adaptation. Netatmo Smart Weather Station. Features: measures temperature, humidity, and rainfall to adjust irrigation. Trade-offs of using versus not using smart garden technology. Convenience versus traditional skill. Smart technology saves time but may reduce the hands-on gardening experience. Cost versus long-term savings. Initial investment is high, but automation can lower water and energy costs. Tech dependence versus reliability. Automation requires power and connectivity, whereas traditional methods work anytime. Precision versus natural adaptation. Smart systems provide data-driven adjustments, but manual care allows for a more intuitive approach. Ultimately, smart garden technology offers efficiency and optimization, but traditional gardening retains a level of craftsmanship and personal connection to nature. Gardeners should balance their approach based on personal preferences and goals.